Hello, we're the EngiNerds, team 51243. Today we're presenting our project, Just Bike It. Here's our skit.
There's a big bad shark who wanted a creative idea to help kids exercise, and if he doesn't like our idea, we'll be eaten alive.
Today we're going to be talking about our product, Just Bike It. Just Bike It is a bus with bikes inside. People will be on a bike inside a bus, getting exercise and to their destination in a timely manner. It was a Thursday morning, and we were headed to Shiva Robotics.
All of a sudden, we see a bicycle crash into a school bus.
Then we all turned to each other and thought this would be a great idea for our project, to put bikes inside school buses.
Nowadays, kids aren't able to get much exercise because of outdoor activities and work from school.
Our idea is to provide health and convenience at the same time. Kids will now be able to exercise on their way to school and back, not wasting any of their time, and it provides an easier way for them to stay healthy.
We created Just Bike It because a lot of kids are getting obese, mostly because they do not have time to exercise.
Okay, I have some questions of how this is going to work. How is this safe?
The kids will be riding ergonomic bikes that have a chair-like seat, so they're able to sit properly. And we'll have a 5-point seatbelt harness so they do not fall out. Also, the bikes will be bolted down to the bus so they do not slide. And the bus drivers will have a 2-week training so they will know the ins and outs of the bike bus.
Why would people choose to ride this versus a normal school bus?
When kids exercise, energy is produced. We will use energy as a motivation aspect for kids so they can charge their devices and get more of this creation versus a normal school bus.
How will this product make money?
Just Bike It will not make much money and will need governmental help to complete this invention. The point is to make this convenient for people so they will actually use this product.
Why are you using the energy to power the phones instead of the bus?
The bus would need to be changed to electric. Not enough energy will be produced from the bikes to actually have the bus run. Bikes can make up to 12 watts of energy. Buses will need 179 to 235 kilowatts/hour.
How the bikes generate energy?
We'll use an object called a bike dynamo. A bike dynamo is used to generate power and charge devices. It is a mini-sized generator that contains and converts the kinetic energy produced from the bicycles. It operates on the sidewall of a bicycle tire, but since we're using ergonomic bikes, it'll have to be attached inside of the bike.
So, did you like our idea?
I didn't like it. I loved it. Good job, guys. I hope soon we can see every bus have bikes inside.
This is the end of our skit.
Okay. There was one main concern for the bus, which was that the bus cannot hold all of the people on it. Our first plan was 7 rows of bikes and 2 bikes in each row, which can fit 14 people. But that is not enough for the amount of people who usually ride each bus. So then we thought of making the half bikes and half seats. 12 bikes, which is 4 rows of 3 bikes each, and 7 rows of seats fitting 28 people. The new version can fit about 40 people.
So, the materials and costs. So the school bus costs around $14,000, and the ergonomic mics cost $250 each, and the 5-point seatbelt harness costs $50, and materials to keep the bike in place, like the bolts, cost $50 too, and a dynamo costs $1,000.